Everybody's busy, yeah, yeah. Everybody's busy. Everybody's busy, yeah, yeah. Wait until I show you the kitchen. This is what we are.
So you're here Monday, this Monday, aren't you?
Prince Harry is with us this week. And who else have we got? Say hi, guys.
We've got Jacko and Alfie.
Jack and Alfie. What are you doing here?
We are peeling beetroots. We'll then cut for salad.
Cool. Ah, there's someone else coming. Hi. What have you got? Basil. Woo, basil fresh from the garden.
You can rock.
Wait. Lucy, where are you? No, there.
Wait till it starts. Behind you.
Hey, what are you doing? Are you gardening? Say hi. What's your name? Can you say your name? No. Okay. Bye. What's happening tonight? This is how we cook here on the tomatoes, please. The tomatoes are over there with all the salad. Like mother, like son, eh?